Good morning, Gophers and Wolves. We're going to continue reviewing some of our old lessons from Bible. We're going to start by talking today about Adam and Eve. God had planted a beautiful garden for Adam in a place called Eden. A river flowed through the garden. Adam loved his new home. His job was to name all of the animals and care for the garden. Adam loved all the animals, but he could not find a friend that was just right for him. So God created woman. Adam named her Eve. She was just right for Adam. Adam and Eve loved each other. Together, they took care of God's garden. It is our job to take care of creation too, so make sure that you are always being respectful to the parts of creation that God made, which is all of it. You need to respect yourself, your body, your friends, and all of the other parts of the world, like the animals and plants that you're around. Let's move on to your math. Today in math, you are going to be doing some review. So you're going to start by doing a lot of addition, subtraction. So draw a line down the center and add these up. Whenever you find your answer, you can match it to which of these numbers it matches. You're going to do the same here. Draw a line down the center and subtract. Find your answer and match it to the number down here that it matches. Draw a line, add, and draw a line to match it. Draw a line down the center, subtract, and figure out which one it matches. Down at the bottom, you are going to figure out what number this is, remembering these are hundreds. So 100, 200, and 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So if that is 234, write that down so we can see it, 234. Then you're going to find which one of those numbers it matches over here, and you're going to draw a line to make it match. So this says 234, you draw a line here. You're going to keep doing that. You can write your number right there next to it or right underneath it so you know which number it's going to go to and match. Turn it over. And back here, we are going to have you doing some subtraction problems. I'm going to give you some numbers to put in here because I realize you might not have dice with you. So you need to write in the numbers I give you. I'll write it on here so you can see and you can copy it. So it starts off with 97, and I want you to write underneath 34 and subtract. You can use the boxes next to it to subtract. So 7 minus 4, they have 7 beans there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You're going to cross off 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are left is what you're going to write there. Then they have 9 buckets of beans. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Then you're going to cross off 3 of them, just like they have here. Cross off 3. How many are left? You're going to write it here. We'll do the same thing with the next problem. You're going to start off with 76. And I would like you to write in 21. Cross off 1 bean. How many are left is your answer. Cross off 2 buckets of beans. How many are left is your answer. On this bottom part, on 8 through 15, you need to draw your lines in. You're adding, subtracting. Subtract. You need to make sure when you add, your numbers get bigger. When you subtract, they get smaller. Make sure you draw your lines in, and we always do the ones column first. You can use a number line by drawing it out for yourself. That way you have all of them Done. When you get done with those, I'll read this question to you. All right, I'm going to draw this one out. They would like you to draw it in the box next to it. So sees 6 crabs walking on the sand. Each crab has 6 legs. How many legs are there all together? All together is a key word, just like in all, telling us to add. So let's draw out 6 crabs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're going to draw that inside your gray box, and you're going to put 6 legs on each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you need to figure out how many there are all together. So count each crab's legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Keep going till you get to the bend. And then that answer goes here. When you're finished, move on to phonics. All right. Today in phonics, we are going to be working on ER versus EST. Remember, ER means 2, EST means 3 or more. All right. Tim thinks blank day is the best. Tim thinks field day, shield day, chief day, reef day, or thief day. This isn't something we do at our school, so I want you to know this is called field day. It's kind of like track and field, something you can do when you're older in middle school. So Tim thinks that field day is the best. Tim jumps higher than Ted, or Tim is the highest jumper. Remember, when it's 2 people, it is ER. So is it higher or highest? Bob throw is longer than Tim's, or Tim's throw is the longest. 2 is ER, 3 is EST. The dog runs faster than Bob, or the dog is the fastest runner. 2 for ER, 3 for EST. All right. You need to circle the correct picture for each one. So you're going to circle this one or this one. The brown owl is darker. 2 for ER, 3 for EST. So which picture is it for darker? Joe has the biggest piece. Big est. 2 for ER, 3 for EST. So is it this picture or this picture? The chief has the longest list. Longest. 2 for ER, 3 for EST. Is it this picture or this picture? Beth is the taller niece. Taller. 2 for ER, 3 for EST. Is it this picture or this picture? All right. Remember to do extra math or math on IXL. I hope you have a wonderful